Oh, yeah. When I came home, baby, and I've been working all night long, put my daughter on my knee, and she say, "Daddy, what's wrong?" She whispers in my ear, so sweet. You know what she says? She says, "Oh, Daddy, you're a fool to cry. You are a fool to cry. And it makes me wonder why." Huh? You know, I get a woman, and she lives in a poor part of town. And I go see her sometimes, and we make love so fine. I put my hand on her shoulder. She says, "Tell me all your troubles." You know what she says? She says, "Ah, Dad, you're a fool to cry. You are a fool to cry. And it makes me wonder why." Yo. I love you so much, baby. Troubles will stop sometimes, yeah. Yeah, she says, "Oh, Dad, you're a fool to cry. You're a fool to cry, and it makes me wonder why." She says. My love says, even my friends say me sometimes and make out like don't understand them. You know what they say? They say, "Ha, oh, Daddy, you're a fool to cry. You're a fool to cry. And it makes me wonder why." Why? I'm a fool, baby. Just a fucking fool. I'm a fool, baby. Yeah, I am. Am I certified fool? I do. I want to tell you, gotta tell you, baby. I say, baby. Oh. I'm a fool, baby. Just fool. Certified fool, baby. Yeah, come on. I'm a fool. I am a fool.